In today's video, I will walk you through how to add Dynamic Momentum Index, or DYMI, in Robinhood Legend. First, go to Robinhood Legend and make sure you are on the main chart screen where the available chart tools and controls are visible. Once you are on the platform, move your attention to the upper right-hand corner of the screen. In this section, look for the Indicators icon located just below the Add Widget option. After locating the Indicators icon, click on it to continue. A panel with available indicators will then appear on your screen. From here, click on Add Indicator to open the full list of available indicators that can be added to your chart. Once the indicator list is open, you can either scroll through the available options or use the search box to find the indicator faster. If you want a quicker way to locate it, click on the search box and type DYMI. As you type, matching results will appear in the list. When you see Dynamic Momentum Index or DYMI in the results, click on it to add it directly to your chart layout. After selecting the indicator, it will automatically appear on the chart screen. You will now be able to view the indicator together with your existing chart setup inside Robinhood Legend. Once the indicator has been added, you can begin adjusting its appearance and settings. To do this, locate the Settings option connected to the indicator, click on Settings to open the customization panel for the Dynamic Momentum Index or DYMI indicator. Inside the Settings menu, you can make changes to the appearance of the indicator according to your preferences. You can adjust elements such as colors, display styles, and other available visual settings shown in the panel. Continue updating the settings until the indicator appears the way you want on your chart. After making your changes, the updated settings will automatically apply to the indicator on your screen. The Dynamic Momentum Index, or DYMI indicator, will remain visible on your chart while you continue using Robinhood Legend. That is how you add Dynamic Momentum Index, or DYMI, in Robinhood Legend and customize it using the Settings menu.